Lovely good morning. Hope you're doing well. Once again, the speaking session. Today, I want to talk with you about how you can change your habits. Changing habits is not easy thing in your life. If you wanted to change your habits, then definitely you have to work on it. Like if I'm studying, if I'm doing any work in my life, then I need to change my habits as usual. Like if I am free, then I have to indulge myself in learning, reading, writing, any technical skill that is very important in my life. I have to involve myself in this scenario. Most of the people, they think that changing habit is very tough task, and it's like a challenge in your life. No doubt, it's a challenge. It's a key thing for your future, but you need to change your habits according to the schedule, according to the timetable. If you think that you can't change your habits, then it's a wrong perception, wrong idea. You're checking all the time. You need to change yourself with the passage of time. Like when I was in childhood, then my habits were quite different. But nowadays, my habits going to be changed. Why? Because it's a demand of time. When you are unmarried, then your habits are quite different. When you got married afterward, there are so many habits you need to change. You need to change according to the timetable. When you are unmarried, there is no such kind of responsibility on you. But when you got married afterward, there are a lot of responsibilities imposed on you. You have to do so many work for your family. Before this, you have no family. But if you are unmarried, then there are so many people attached with you. Like it can be your brothers, sisters, parents, mother and father. So many other people, they are the part of your life. When you got married afterward, one person can be added in your life. It's your wife, and it's your responsibility. It's also part of your family member. But if you think that my habits, my routine methods remain same, I do all the activities as usual. When I was in teenager, I was in adults, I was in young age, then my habits was like this. But nowadays I'm going to be changed, but unfortunately I couldn't do this. If you make a mind like this, then it will be very tough for you, and you had to focus on your goals, but unfortunately you couldn't do this. You try hard, but unfortunately you couldn't get results. So this thing can disturb you, this thing can distract you. All the things matters a lot. But if you try again and again, you can easily change your habits. Habits is not a difficult task. It's easy task. You need to change. You try to change on regular basis, and it's in the time, it's need attention, it's need consistency. All the things are very necessary for your changing habits. If you will see the history of different people in the world, they try to change their habits, but unfortunately they couldn't do this. Why? The problem they have faced, the reason behind that, they just focus on themselves a little bit. Like I started anything in my life, I just carry on 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day. Afterward, I fed up, I tired, I give up. Then how it's possible I can change each and everything in my life? I need to change myself with the passage of time. If I had indulged myself in different habits, like go out from your house, talking with my friends at night time, go along with my friends. It's a good habit, but if you will carry this habit all the time after married life, then it can be issue for you in future life. You need to change your habits with the passage of time. Like if I'm talking with you, then definitely it's not a bad habit, it's a good habit, but I have to work on it. If you try again and again, then everything is possible. And if you fed up, if you give up, and if you're tired, and if you think that it's not achievable, it's not accessible, then might be you can't reach to your final destination. I see a lot of people in my life, they started their journey from zero, but nowadays they are competent, they are talented, they are millionaire, they are billionaire, they have so many resources, they are financially strong, they are mentally strong, their speaking power is so good. So all the things are very important in your life. This thing, how it's possible happen in your life, just your practice, just your attention. You have to motivate yourself. When you fed up, when you tired up, then you think that I can do each and everything in my life. It's possible, it's achievable, it's accessible. All the things are very important in your life. It's mandatory for you when you get up early in the morning, then you make a plan. Plan means you need to focus on your future planning. Like if I make a plan in 1 year, I change my speaking skill, I try to change my habits into formal or into informal, means I wanted to change my habits, like my talking is informal way, but I need to change my habits it into formal way. Then how it's possible? It's possible just with practice.